Trev from Zero 4x4. We're really pleased to have our Maxliner Maxpro floor mats arrive, and we're going to whack these into the Next Gen Ranger. I was out last weekend on a training day, and I got mud on the carpet and all over the place, and I think I really miss the mats because I've had these mats in my old Prado for about 3.5 years. They're really good. The beauty of it is you can put them in and out as you need. They're very simple to put into the vehicle, as simple to put out. Let's have a look and see how we put these mats into your beautiful Next Gen Ranger. So in our Maxpro box, we have our fantastic rear mats, and we have our front mats. As I hit the camera, good. So let's get them into the car. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to pull the carpet mats out. So the little trick to this is to have a pen close by. What I would do is I would put my hand behind here and just push down gently with the pen into the center, and they pretty much just clip out nice and easy. All the vehicles have different clips. Toyota's different again, but these ones are the Ford ones. So yeah, that's as easy as that to pull the old mats out. Okay, so we'll put the mats in. I'll do the driver's side. Just make sure that you're putting it underneath the accelerator, and you'll see now that it actually contours really nicely. It covers over the door sill. So if you're in sand, particularly sand, I know I've used mine in the Prado when I was in sand, and these mats were really good because they covered the sill. Nothing got underneath into the carpet at all. So the next level time is just to push down onto the clips. So you saw how I took them off a few minutes ago. Now you can see it's just contoured beautifully into the car. And when we're in mud or sand, these mats are absolutely fantastic. They're comfortably the best on the market. Maxliner do a great product. There'll be a bit more Maxliner going onto this vehicle in the future. But you can see now I can put these in really easily when I'm full driving. But if I want the carpet mats in there during the week, when you just want it looking nice, put the carpet mats back in nice and simple. So to take these out, it's the same again. You put a little bit of pressure upwards and push down, and then you can easily just take the mat out again and put your carpet mat back in. So it's very simple. So the back should be very similar to the front, be perfectly contoured to the seat and fit really naturally. One of the really good things I like about the rear mats, particularly when I had the Prado, was the fact that it was one piece all the way across, so there's no gaps, there's nowhere for stuff to spill. It fits really well. So let's whack it in. So I'm doing it from one side, but it's still relatively easy. So if you want to put them in and take them out at any time, you can. Look at that. I just push down on the other side. Just have to do a little bit of fine tuning to make sure it all fits into place. But you can see there it all fits really nice, natural to the seat supports, and right around here. It's just such a beautiful mat. Remembering that Maxliner offer a lifetime warranty on these against manufacturer faults. They're really good, and the beauty of them going in very simple. It's not hard. We sell Maxliner products, so the windshields for the windows, which we might do another video when I put them on the vehicle, because I'm going to do the windshields. Obviously the mats, and I'm looking at the side steps as well from Maxliner. So Maxliner make very good gear. So everything's available from Dirt Road 4x4. All right, well that wraps up our Maxpro Maxliner floor mat video, and showing you how to actually put them into our Next Gen Ranger. When you open up your box, you'll get a care instruction guide. Have a look at it. If they are a little bit out of position when you pull them out of the box, put them in the sun, put a bit of heat on them, they'll just naturally go back into the form of the vehicle anyway. So not a hassle. It says that on the care card. Have a look at it. Your warranty is fantastic. They're a great company to deal with, but you'll love the mats. This is Trev out. You can get these at Dirt Road 4x4, sales at dirtroad4x4.com.au, or 1300 037 222. I'm Trev, Maxpro. Awesome.